Today on part 1 of the Informational series, this is a 1957 GMC truck with a Chevy grille. Almost every part from late 1955 till 59 was interchangeable between GMC and Chevy. The Chevrolet Task Force series is a light and medium-duty truck by Chevrolet. It's their first major redesign since 1947. Its GMC counterpart was called the Blue Chip series. It was more stylish compared to the earlier Advanced Design series while still maintaining its rugged durability. First available on March 25, 1955, these trucks were sold with various minor changes over the years until 1959, when the C and K series trucks replaced the Task Force models for 1960. GMC and Chevrolet were differentiated by the running gear and interiors. Chevrolet used Chevrolet engines, and GMC used GMC inline sixes and Pontiac V8s. The heavy-duty models used Oldsmobile V8s. For the first time in GM history, trucks were available with optional power steering, power brakes, and V8s. A column-shifted 3-speed manual transmission was standard, with an optional floor-shift 4-speed manual or a hydromatic automatic transmission. The electrical system also got an upgrade to 12 volts. Minor changes made from 55 through 59. In 1955 was the first year for new body style. The fenders have single headlights and a one-piece emblem. Beds are 6.5 feet and 7.5 feet long. As for the 1956, the trucks had a wider hood emblem, and the fender emblems were mounted above the horizontal fender line. It's also last year for the egg crate style grille. In 1957 was the only year for a more of an open grille. The hood became very similar to the 1957 Bel Air, and also fender emblems are now oval-shaped, as opposed to previous versions. In 1958 these trucks are now called Apaches. First year for factory-equipped air conditioning, and significant redesign of the front end, featuring a shorter full-width grille, with 4 headlights instead of the previous 2. And parking lights are now in the grille instead of being in the front of the fender. The hood is similar to 1955-1956 models, but with a flat valley in the middle. A new all-steel bed replaces the cameo fiberglass versions now called Fleetside by Chevrolet and Wideside by GMC. 1959 had minimal changes from 1958. The most apparent was a larger and more ornate hood emblem, and redesigned badging on the fenders. This was the last year for this body style and the series was dropped, being replaced by the C and K line in 1960. As for variants goes, the trucks also had different styling options. In the mid-1955, they were an introduction of Chevrolet's Cameo Carrier pickup truck version. This helped pave the way for the all-steel Fleetside bed. The Cameo version offered an array of car-like features that included passenger car-type styling. Also, the trucks had fiberglass rear fenders, 2-tone paint jobs, and relatively luxurious interior, as well as an optional V8 engine with automatic transmission and power assist steering. As always, GMC were right behind with their version called the GMC Suburban Pickup, with many similar features offered on the Chevrolet. In 1957, a special version was made for GMC to be shown at national car shows called the Palomino, which had a Pontiac 347 cubic inch V8, borrowed from the 1957 Star Chief. Today, these names always come up when seeing these trucks. Second Series, Task Force, Apache, Cameo, Suburban, Viking for medium-duty version, Spartan heavy-duty version, Napco for 4x4 version and GMC Blue Chip series. These trucks has an amazing look to them with style beyond its time, and will always turn heads wherever they go. The white truck featured in this video is a 1957 GMC Fleetside short box, small window cab, with a Chevy grille, Chevy bumpers, has a V8 350 Chevy with its original 3-speed column shift, a bench seat off a modern Chevy, bed off a 58 and if I recall right, the wheels were centerlines. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and we will see you on the next one.